What's up, you guys? Bubba Sawyer here, coming at you with another unboxing video. Here is the package. Cover up my dress. But let's get this open. What could it be? Texas Chainsaw Massacre? Could it be movie related? Could it be horror movie related? Here's my new Gerber pliers, by the way. $12.95 from eBay. What do you think it could be, guys? Holy shit. Holy smokes, guys. Look, check them out. Nike mag. I got the decal kit to put the mag logo here. Got all that. See if we can figure out how these bad boys turn on. Oh, that's so sweet. Check it out, guys. I don't know why it has all this, because it didn't do that in the movie. It just did this. Man. These are sweet, dude. I'm going to have to get a shot of me trying these on, man. These are crazy. Okay, let me get them on and I'll get back with you. I haven't got them quite adjusted yet. I did get them kind of dirty here and here from where I was putting the radiator and stuff back in the Mr. Bean car. But my wife's got some fabric cleaner, so I'll have her take an old toothbrush, fix them up. These look good once you get the decals stuff put on them. But here's what they look like, guys. A knockoff Nike mag. I got the decal kit to put all the decals and stuff on it. I don't know why that's blue showing white in it, but it's not like that in person. Here's the knockoff Nike mag. $80. My wife got me these for my birthday, and they just came in. Not too much of a fan of this part up here, but you know, these shoes will look badass when I get the decals put on. There's the Nike mag, guys. The knockoff Nike mag. Thanks for watching.
Catch up with my